Hey guys, today we have a bird stuck in the net.
Flint,
stop! It's a poor baby. Okay, do you think it can get out? Okay.
Whoa! Come here.
Come on. No, wrong way. This way. Come on.
No, this way.
Come on. Look at it.
Sappy bird, sappy bird.
Come on, right here. Right here.
Right here. Down.
It's right now.
It's right there. Where? No. Over here.
It's up there somewhere.
Flint, go.
Flint, inside. Come on.
Come here. No, come here, birdie.
The birdie is scared now.
You want me to do helicopter? Oh, it doesn't work. Come here.
It's up there.
Can you guys see it?
Can you guys see? You don't know where the bird is, and it can't be out. Oh. Can you guys see it? Okay, so
It's in this.
yeah, it's in that. Come out here, I'll tap it. That will help.
No. It's fine.
No, because the bird might be stuck in here for a while, and it might not be able to get food. So we have to get it out.
Bye, guys.
We can't. We have to get it out.
Oh, yeah. Okay, what do we use?
Broom. Broom.
The broom's not too bad. It's a broom. I like to sweep up here.
There it is. No, don't let it go back in there.
Wait, I can just sweep. No, down.
It's right there. Come on, it's almost there, guys.
No! I like to sweep you.
Wait, where's...
Let me trap it.
No, Flint.
No, Flint!
Flint!
No, Flint.
Okay, do you think...
Stop!
Flint!
No.
You're scaring it. Yeah!